The Defining Decade: Why Your Twenties Matter, and How to Make the Most of Them Now by Meg Jay is a comprehensive guide for young adults navigating their 20s. The author, a clinical psychologist, argues that this decade is crucial in shaping one's identity, career, and personal life. She provides practical advice and insights based on her extensive experience working with young clients. The book begins by dispelling common myths about the 20s, such as the quarter-life crisis, which Jay argues is not a distinct phase but rather a reflection of the natural challenges and transitions that occur during this time. She emphasizes that the 20s are a time of exploration, growth, and learning, rather than a period of aimlessness or confusion. One of the key themes of the book is the importance of self-awareness in the 20s. Jay encourages readers to engage in introspection and develop a clear understanding of their values, strengths, weaknesses, and interests. This self-knowledge is essential for making informed decisions about education, career, relationships, and personal goals. The author provides tools and exercises to help readers gain self-awareness, such as personality tests, journaling, and reflective questionnaires. Another significant aspect of the book is its focus on career development. Jay argues that the 20s are a critical time for launching a career, as this is when people typically establish their professional identity and lay the foundation for future success. She encourages readers to pursue internships, network extensively, and take on challenging projects to build skills and experience. The author also discusses the importance of finding a mentor or role model who can provide guidance and support throughout one's career. The book also addresses the topic of relationships, emphasizing the importance of building healthy, supportive connections with others. Jay encourages readers to cultivate friendships, romantic partnerships, and family ties that align with their values and goals. She provides advice on communication, conflict resolution, and setting boundaries in relationships. In addition to personal development, Jay highlights the importance of civic engagement and social responsibility in the 20s. She encourages readers to get involved in their communities, volunteer for causes they care about, and become informed citizens. This chapter includes discussions on voting rights, activism, and the role of social media in shaping public discourse. Throughout the book, Jay incorporates numerous case studies and real-life examples from her practice to illustrate key points and provide practical advice. These stories help readers relate to the material and apply the lessons learned to their own lives. The Defining Decade concludes with a call to action, urging readers to embrace the challenges and opportunities of their 20s with determination and resilience. Jay emphasizes that while this decade may be filled with uncertainty, it also offers the potential for tremendous growth and fulfillment. By focusing on self-awareness, career development, relationships, and civic engagement, young adults can make the most of their defining decade and set themselves up for a successful and meaningful life.